Very good morning students. Sairam. This session I am going to explain about your formative and summative evaluation for your first semester. Okay. So children, every year we will conduct some project and activity for your internal marks. So this year what we will conduct, that I will tell you now. Okay children. See here, this is the formative and summative evaluation for your first semester. First one is here I have given unit test. Isn't it children? That is unit was over. Yes, two lessons were there. That is chapter number 1 and 3. That was for 20 marks. Isn't it children? And next one is practical. Practical for 10 marks. Yes, already I had given that information about this practical. So this is for 10 marks. So when you have to submit this practical, that I will tell you. Okay children, next formative is activity. That activity I am going to conduct from your 4th chapter, that is operations on fractions. Okay children, next formative, that is chart making. That is I am going to conduct from which lesson? Angles lesson. That means chapter number 2, angles. That is for 10 marks. And mental maths, that is also for 10 marks. And this one, the details we will give you later. Okay, and the next one is first semester, that means written paper, that is for 40 marks. So which lesson, this all things we will tell you later. Understood children? See here now. First one is this formative you have to do now first, that is chart making. So for this chart making, what you have to do first, you have to take one chart. Yes, take one chart and you have to write the heading, that is angles. Okay children, below the heading how to write this question here, that is draw any 5 types of an angle and write their definition. Okay, so children, this angles lesson you had studied many types of an angle, and here you have to draw any 5 types of an angle. Okay, and for this formative, which materials you want? Yes, chart paper, protractor, scale, pencil and sketch pens. Okay, and here children, how many angles you have to draw? Yes, 5. Here one, for sample I have given one angle here. First you have to write what? Yes, take the chart paper, below that write the heading, and afterwards you have to write the question, isn't it? After the question, which angle you are going to make, that angle name you have to write. Okay, suppose here I have taken acute angle. If you want to draw that acute angle, write the heading here like this, acute angle. Below the heading, you have to write the definition of an angle. Okay children, an angle whose measure is between 0 degree to 90 degree. So after the definition, you have to make angle like this. Okay, and when you are making this angle, when you are making this figure, 2 things you have to mind. You have to give a name of this figure. Name of this angle you have to give, that one you have to see here. I have given, yes, CBA, angle CBA. Like this you have to give a name. At the same time, here inside you have to write the measurement also. Okay children, inside of an angle here, how much of measurement you are going to take, that you have to mention. Suppose for this acute angle you can take 75 degree or 85 degree, you can take, isn't it? So which measurement you are going to take, that you have to mention. So can you do children? So like this, how many angles you have to make? Very good, 5 angles you have to make. Shall I go to next now? So some important instructions for this chart making formative. Your work, it should be very neat. So children, if you are getting any formative work, every time your work, it should be very neat, because it carries marks, isn't it children? And that on the top of the chart paper, yes, see here. Yes, first the top of that chart paper, you have to write your name, standard, division, SID number. This all details you have to write it very clearly. Okay children, so you have to take photo of that chart paper. That photo you have to convert into PDF format. Okay children, so that PDF format you have to send it to respective division group. Can you do? Yes, very good. So children, see here, you don't send it in common group, you have to send it to a particular respective division group. Okay, if you are in 6th A, you have to send it to 6th A group only. Okay, when you have to send, see here, yes, you have to submit on time, that is submit on time. Here when you have to submit, Sunday before 8 p.m. Okay children, so you are getting lot, yes, you have a lot of time. Today is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 2 days are there, isn't it children? And Sunday before 8 p.m. you have to send it. So I think for this formative hardly it will take 45 minutes to 1 hour. So children, can you do? Yes, very good. So children, if you are submitting late, you will not get any marks. Got it? Shall we go to next now? Next one is practical. This one already I had explained. So that is basic concept in geometry. So children, this one you made, isn't it children? Very good. So this one, it has to be submitted by 21st August. Like that same, isn't it? You have to write your details. That means name, standard, division and SID numbers. And next one, you have to take a photo. That photo you have to convert into a PDF format. That PDF format you have to send it to particular division group. Understood children? Yes, this one when you have to submit it? Yes, by 21st August. Okay, shall I go to next now? Next form. Children, this now activity. For this activity, I am going to conduct yes from operations on fractions. Okay, so for this activity, what you have to do? You have to make fraction flowers. How we have to make? I will tell you now. Okay children, so for this activity you want these materials, that is 3 A4 size paper, marble paper, glue, paper plate, sketch pens. Okay children, total 3 fraction flowers you are going to make. That's why you want 3 A4 size paper. Okay, so here each and every A4 size paper you have to write your name, standard, division and SID numbers. Okay children, so this fraction flowers, this activity you have to submit on September. Submission will be on September. That date I will tell you later. Okay children, how we have to make? Yes, fraction flower I will tell. So children, you have to take that A4 size paper first and you have to write your details. Below that you have to write the name of that activity. That means operations on fractions. Below that write that fraction flowers. Okay, and below that you have to write the definition of fraction. Okay children, after the definition of fraction you have to make, yes, you have to stick the fraction flower. How you have to make? See here I have taken 2 papers. Yes, 1 paper plate and 1 marble paper. Here I have taken 1 paper plate and 1 marble paper. Next step is what? Yes, I was sticking this marble paper on this paper plate. Like this you have to stick. Okay, and third step is this paper plate, yes, I have divided into equal parts. See here, I have divided into 4 equal parts. That's why I have written here 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. Suppose if you want to divide into 2 equal parts, what you have to write? Yes, you should write 1 upon 2. Okay, here I have divided into 4 equal parts. So these 4 equal parts you have to stick like that on 1 A4 size paper. Yes, and below that you have to draw this stem and leaf. Can you do children? Yes, like this. How many flowers you have to make? 3 flowers you have to make. Okay, see here, next slide. Children, see here this first paper plate, it has divided into 3 equal parts. That's why here 1 upon 3. Okay, and here it is divided into 4 equal parts, and that's why here which fraction? Yes, 1 upon 4 it has written. And here children, see here this paper plate, it has divided into 5 equal parts. Understood? So this paper plate, now after the dividing it will look like a beautiful petal, isn't it children? Yes, and below that here you have to draw stem and leaves. Can you do children? Yes, total how many flowers you have to make? 3 flowers. So once again I will tell, write the heading operations on fractions. Below that write fraction flowers. And below that you have to write what? Definition of fraction. So afterwards you have to draw, you have to make fraction flowers. Understood children? 3 flowers you have to make. Okay, and each and every A4 size paper you have to write your details. Name, standard, division and SID numbers. Can you do children? Yes. This one you have to submit. It has to be submitted, yes, on September. Okay. And the next one, see here, mental maths. So children, this one about this mental maths you know already, isn't it? This topic will be given later. And this one will be conducted on Google Meet. Okay children. So this which topic, from which topic, this mental maths we are going to conduct from which topic, that I will let you know later. Understood children? And next one is what? Yes, written paper. That is also which lesson will come, that I will tell you later. So children, I hope you understood this one. So this chart making, how to, when you are getting this one, immediately you have to start the chart making. Remaining activity also, when you are getting time, you have to complete it. Okay. So I hope you will do. Yes. Thank you children. Sai Ram.